I'm so excited. I'm so nervous for no reasons. $135 and I bought 2 of them. I'm freaking crazy. But also, I'm just a girl, you know? Holy cow. I'm scared. Does it say the members on here? It doesn't say the member's name. It really doesn't say the member's name. Oh, right here. On this side. It says Seonghwa. And then Wooyoung right here. Let me open it so we can get all the glare out. Let's open Wooyoung first. Okay, we're gonna try to not destroy the box. I'm so nervous. This is what the back looks like. It's like very paper and very simple. Like, yeah, for something that costs over $100. But I'm assuming it's because of the silver in the actual silver foil thingy. Okay, let me try to pop him out. Ready? Everybody ready? Ah! I'm like, should I take it off? I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh my gosh, look at that. How cute. Oh my god. She's in the sleeve. She's well protected. Oh my god. Okay, let's open this. I saw someone just cut it and I'm like, I don't want to cut the thingy. If I go super slowly, I think I can. Hold on, everyone give me a minute. Just give, I'll be right back. Let me just try to slowly remove this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it. Everyone ready? Ready? Ah. Holy guacamoles. She's kind of hefty. Like, low-key. Yo, there's a dent on here. What the hell? There's a dent on my thingy. At least not on the thingy. Do I take him out? Oh, we get a little certificate of authentication. Why is the serial number just 1? Like, what? I'm confused. Am I allowed to show these? Like, what is this? What is this QR code? Let's try to take him out. Let's try it. Everyone be quiet. We might scare him. She's laminated. Yo, low-key, she's heavy. She's laminated. Hopefully I didn't put my fingerprints on this. 10 grams. This is an investment, if anybody asks. You know, at first when they dropped this, I was like, what the fuck is this? I was like, silver foil, like, is it just gonna be those really pretty paper? Like, and they were not kidding when they said silver, because I looked at the price and I was like, what do you mean over $100? What do you mean that I would buy it? And we carefully put him back in. I haven't figured out where I want to display him. I will figure that out once I like my room. All right, let's open up Seonghwa. Also, KQ sent this in through DHL, even though I only paid for like standard, which is like a big slay for the both of us, you know, like they don't really want to lose this, like, and I don't want either, but like also I didn't want to pay another $100 to get them sent to me. I had my faith on the freaking, you know, government like mailing system, like full faith. I was like, please, is everybody ready? Let's look at the photo card. Let's take him out. Cute. The back is the same. We are safe and sound. Yay, my woo-ha. Oh great, now I gotta, she's moved out of the box. Ma'am, you have to get inside. Time to do this all over again. Everyone ready? It's not like we haven't seen these before. Slay! Like actually, because he slayed the freaking, was it octopus? This is the same serial number. I'm a bit confused. Let's open her up. You know, this is $135 each. I have to go donate plasma for 2 weeks. To get that, to pay for this. Usually a lot of my ATEEZ stuff is like, I go donate plasma. All right, let's test this. I have a scale. Let's see if she's actually 10 grams. Squeeze me. Here we go, for science. How the hell are you 14? Anyways, she's a good solid double digits, so ta-da! That's what we're working with. Slay! Alright, y'all. This is the after party, I guess. We're gonna figure out what this code does. So I try to QR code it, but it doesn't work. I'm gonna try to go into the the voice eye and fuck my life, it's in Korean. You're telling me to download? All right, we gotta download something. Open, let's go. Change the world with us. While using the app. Why the fuck you need to track me? What? Why do you need my calendar? Or my contacts? Fine, you can go into my phone. Oh shit. All it says is the same shit as the back.
Certificate of authenticity.
If you're blind, they got for blind people, you know, when they say it out loud, they read it to you. If you're colorblind. Well, that was anticlimactic. I'm gonna keep this and pass it on to my grandchildren.